In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from Hubstaff. Managing team members efficiently on Hubstaff is crucial for maintaining an organized workforce, especially if you have a large team or are managing multiple projects. There might come a time when you need to remove a member, perhaps if they no longer work on your project, or if their role within the company has changed. So let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to log into your Hubstaff account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. There, you will see a sidebar. This is where most of your navigation will happen within Hubstaff. Look for and click on the option labeled People. It serves as a central hub for managing everyone in your organization and allows you to access every team member and their respective details all in one place. Moving right along, you will see a list of all the members currently part of your organization on Hubstaff. Take a moment to find the specific member you intend to remove. This could be based on their name, role, or any identifier you have set up within the platform to easily recognize them. Once you've identified the correct individual, you'll need to scroll to the right side of their information row. Hubstaff's layout is straightforward, but some options are nestled to the side to keep the interface clean and uncluttered. By scrolling, you'll reveal additional options associated with this member. As you scroll, you'll see an option that says Action. This is critical as it lists all the potential actions you can take regarding that particular member. Clicking on Action will display a list of options like altering their permissions, editing their details, and among them the choice we're interested in, which is to remove the member. Now, after you've clicked Action, you'll see the Remove User option. Selecting Remove User will initiate the process to remove the member from your team. At this point, Hubstaff might ask for confirmation before proceeding with the removal. This step is essential as it prevents accidental deletions, which can happen amidst managing a bustling team. Confirm the action, and once completed, the member will be officially removed from your organization within Hubstaff. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully removed a member from Hubstaff. It's always a good practice to double check to make sure the right member was removed and everything is set as expected. This process is designed to be simple and efficient, ensuring you can effortlessly manage your team without disruptive errors. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully you found it clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out additional resources or contact Hubstaff support for more detailed help. Until next time, happy managing.